Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting a minute so the electronics are safe. Next, remove the center trim, radio and HVAC faces, keep screws and label connectors so you know where each plug goes. Take out the glove box stops and the lower underdash panels to expose the main dash bolts. Work methodically and keep parts organized. This prevents confusion later. Once these panels are off, you can access the dash mounting bolts and begin unfastening them. Now focus on the instrument cluster. Pry the trim, remove the cluster screws, and unplug the gauge harness carefully so you don't bend pins. Then unbolt the dash from the firewall, A-pillars, and center brackets using 10 mm and 13 mm sockets. Keep bolts grouped by location. Support the dash with a helper or a padded jack because once the last bolts are out, it will sag. Before sliding it back, detach HVAC ducts and remove any steering column bolts that interfere. Work slowly to avoid ripping wiring. To finish, slide the dash forward slightly to free the HVAC and heater box, feeding wiring harnesses through the opening so nothing snags. With 2 people, lift the dash straight out, watching for sharp sheet metal and the windshield trim. Use slow, coordinated movements. Once out, set it on a padded surface and inspect connectors and clip locations. Reinstallation is the reverse process. If you experience non-working lights or fans after reinstall, immediately check the ground connections and each connector pin for a bent or unseated contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.